E whai ana nei rangatahi I ngā maatauranga o te whenua me te moana.
Ko te tūmu hoki, a te iwi e aroha roa nei a hau.
I recently moved away from home, from Waikato, and living down Napier, so it's been good to connect back home. Been missing home, so been cool reconnecting.
Ko Georgia ila tētahi o ngā rangatahi kua uru mai ki te haerenga nei. Hei tāna na tōna aroha nui ki te moana I tō ia iaia ki te haerenga nei.
I love the moana. Sailing on my koorero is my favourite. And just connecting to how our tupuna used to do it. Just love being in the taiao and feel the most tau.
I just hope they keep doing stuff like that. I hope it sort of just makes a spark that, oh, I like this, I'd like to do it again. That'll be great, you know. And unfortunately, while they're coming on their journey, they pick up a lot of rubbish, hey? So you see on a day like today, you probably see the Whaaingaroa end of our whenua at the harbour.
Hei tā Angeline Greenshill ko te whānga kia mōhio pū ngā rangatahi kai te kapu o rātou ringa te anamata o te taiao.
Trying to teach them that they are the future. They are the kaihāpai, the ones that help the kaitiaki to, you know, look after our space. You know, whatever they do, like planting one tree, is a contribution to papatūnuku, the well-being of our next, you know, of our taiao. So when these trees they've potted on are a little bit bigger, they'll be planted out and they'll be able to come say, oh, I helped to do that, you know.
We need more kaitiaki, we need more taiao champions to whawhai for our whenua, our waia and our moana.
Ko te whānga mo te haerenga nei kia whakatō I te hihia kia hoki ngā rangatahi ki roto I te taiao.
This is their story, meeting with our haukainga, allowing them to share their stories, how they practice mana motuhake, tinoranga, tiratanga for their whānau, for their iwi, their hapu, and to build up our rangatahi in the taiao space.
So we need to teach our rangatahi to be resilient, to know where home is, to know where to go home. Where is your whenua? Or who's your hapu? Who's your whānau? Go back and connect to that space and walk the tracks of your tupuna.
Just to learn as much as I can, mostly about our hitori and anything.
Ka mutu ko te wawata nui mo te haerenga nei kia whakatupu I ngētahi kaitiaki, hei oranga mo te anamata o te taiao. Macie Kuki, Aukaha.